Hi, I am Vimal Aswath. I am going to teach for 12th standard. The chapter is continuity and differentiability. If x equal to a into t plus 1 by t and y equal to a into t minus 1 by t, then we have to prove that dy by dx equal to x by y. This is a Delhi question 2016. So x equal to a into t plus 1 by t. So first we have to find dy by dx. For that what we have to find? Here it is the parameter t. So first x equal to a into t plus 1 by t. Then here y equal to a into t minus 1 by t. So first I find dx by dt. dx by dt, that is equal to a. This is a constant, therefore no need to worry about that. So a into t. For differentiating t, what we get? 1. Then for t inverse, so minus 1 by t square. Minus 1 by t square. Here again dy by dt. dy by dt, that is equal to a into, the constant part is over. So first here this one around we have to multiply. So a into t, that is t equal to 1. Then here minus plus, so 1 by t square. Next what we have to find is dy by dx. Next what we have to find is dy by dx. For that dy by dt into dt by dx. dt by dx. So dy by dt equal to a into, that is here we have to take LCM. So t square plus 1 by t square. t square plus 1 by t square. Then here a into t square minus 1 by t square. So now a get cancel. a get cancel. Then t square also get cancelled. So what is the remaining? That is equal to dy by dx equal to t square plus 1 divided by t square minus 1. Next what we have to prove? That is dy by dx equal to x by y. So here we take this one as 1. Here we take this one as 1. Next we have to find x by y. x by y in terms of t. So what is x? A into t plus 1 by t. a into t plus 1 by t. Therefore t square plus 1 by t. t square plus 1 by t. Next what is y? y equal to a into t minus 1 by t. So that's also a into t square minus 1 by t. Now a get cancelled and t get cancelled. What is the remaining answer? That is equal to t square plus 1 divided by t square minus 1. Now x by y equal to t square plus 1 t square minus 1. Now substitute x by values 1, x by y values in 1. What you get is, here we have to replace by x by y. Therefore now dy by dx equal to x by y. Hence we have the result. We proved that dy by dx equal to x by y. So here we have to, that is remember that is if I find the value of x by y, then only we can complete the problem. Otherwise we can, from this we cannot deduce the result. It is equal to x by y. For that we have to do some calculations. Okay, thanks for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe.